Hi, my name's Joycelyn Akufo. I'm the Managing Director of Geek School Tutoring. I would like to announce and invite you to enter your child for the free 11 Plus writing course. It's full of tips, advice and pointers to help your child improve the structure of their writing, the content of their writing, find ideas to write about in their short stories and other types of writing that the 11 Plus writing task expects of them, help them to pinpoint spelling mistakes that are very common amongst children and people in general. And I know that this is going to have a hugely positive impact on your child's writing. So all you need to do is click the link that you can see below this video and just get going. So your child will be able to do this course unaided. Most children are really savvy with technology these days, so they can watch on their iPad or on your phone or on the laptop or PC at home, whatever device is available that plays video. And then there'll be PDF worksheets that they can use and story ideas that they can use to practice with as well, with every single module of the course. The course lasts for a week, so it's very quick. Time is always of the essence when it comes to the 11 Plus. So please don't delay, sign your child up and get started today.